Very good morning to one and all present over here. I'm Valini Parnami, the host for today's morning assembly. So, the topic of our assembly of class 11th science is Zoonosis Day. Zoonosis Day is basically celebrated on 6th of July every year around the world. So, for starting our assembly, we have Ronit Mantri with a refreshing thought of the day.
Good morning to one and all. Today's thought is manage food properly by cooking properly and then storing the food appropriately to avoid zoonotic disease. I repeat my thought, manage food properly by cooking properly and then storing the food appropriately to avoid zoonotic disease. Thank you.
Thank you, Ronit. As we know, awareness can be spread by the best means of our voice. So, here we have Pallavi to guide us for the preventions and the risk of coronavirus.
Hello everyone, I am Pallavi. I study in class 11th at Satyam Krishan Vidyalaya. Today I am going to share with you some important information about coronavirus. Coronavirus are a large family of viruses that can cause illness ranging from common cold to several diseases such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, MERS, and Sudden Acute Respiratory Syndrome, SARS. Coronavirus can be categorized into various stages according to the severity of the symptoms and condition of the patient. The initial phase is when the person has light infection and symptoms like cold and flu. It is during this stage when coronavirus multiplies in an infected body. Doctors may suggest you to go with convalescent plasma treatment, that is plasma from the already recovered patient to the patients to reduce the viral infection, thus speeding the recovery. The next stage is when the virus has attacked the immune system, thus disabling its efficient functioning. This phase is also known as pulmonary phase, results in formation of blood clots and respiratory conditions like shortness of breath, intense coughing, etc. At this stage, the doctor suggests you the use of TPA, that is tissue plasminogen activator, which helps in breaking of blood clots. Next stage, that is the highly inflammatory. Next stage, that is the hyper-inflammatory phase, is when the increased virus in the immune system start causing injuries to kidney and heart. This is a risky stage and can be fatal. During this time, doctors may suggest you medications like corticosteroids or tocilizumab to prevent blood clots in blood vessels and capillaries. An anti-clotting drug, Herpin, is used in all the stages. The second wave of coronavirus gripped the country and caused large-scale devastation and deaths. Scientists Scientists are predicting about the third wave of coronavirus being dangerous for kids or affecting them, but we Indians can prevent this one by taking vaccines. Vaccines are safe. We should not panic. If you have any symptom, then you can consult with your doctor, as coronavirus is treatable and kids can easily recover from it if they remain positive. The best preventive measures include wearing a mask, staying in 6 feet apart, washing your hands often, keeping your hand away from your face, and getting adequate rest and nutrition. Now that's all for today. Thank you. Happy Zoonosis Day.
Thank you so much, Pallavi, for guiding us so peacefully. Now, let us invite Tarun Chauhan for telling us more about HIV/AIDS. What is HIV basically?
Good morning all. Today I Tarun of class 11th is here to express my views on the topic AIDS. AIDS. It stands for Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. Is a syndrome affecting a person's immune system of the body, causing the person to catch any infections or other diseases too quickly. This condition is caused due to a virus called Human immunodeficiency virus or HIV. AIDS is caused as a result of HIV attack. HIV is a virus that directly affects the immune cells of our body and infiltrates them. These white blood cells are the ones that travels our body to find if there is any type of defect or fault in any part. Attacking this cell will reduce our body's ability to detect and combat any type of diseases. This will eventually lead to catching any kind of infections, from the small fever to the dangerous infections from the surrounding or from a person with any kind of infectious diseases. Symptoms. Starting stage of AIDS will be of a simple illness along with little bit vomiting or weakness. It is very difficult to find AIDS in the early stage as it does not have any unique symptom. Whenever there is a fever or any kind of infectious disease seems to continuously affect a person, they should get the test done for finding out whether they have AIDS or not. The main ways of AIDS from passing on is from, from passing on is through actual sexual contact, direct tissue or body fluids exposure, and from a pregnant mother to a child. The AIDS infected mother may pass on the diseases in early pregnancy state, during delivery or while breastfeeding. AIDS gets spread through the exposure of contaminated blood as well. There is a myth that AIDS gets spread through speaking or mucus or eating on the same plate, etc. There is nothing like that, and discriminating a person due to their diseases should not be done. Cure. Experts have not yet found a complete cure for this disease as HIV is an advanced form of virus, but through frequent medication and treatments, AIDS can be controlled in a balanced way to avoid the person from getting affected by the advanced diseases. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sarun, for helping us understand what is HIV in such a beautiful manner. Now, let me invite Vandan to tell us the news headlines for the day.
Good morning. Today's news headlines are: first, international news. Rescue works continue in Japan after deadly landslides, 20 missing. Veteran soldiers from the Indian and Pakistani armed force joined hands to ring in peace. Third, national news. Pushkar Singh Dhami sworn as a new Uttarakhand CM. Second, NHRC asked Maharashtra government to provide medical help to Elgar Parishad accused Stan Swami. Third, India fresh COVID-19 cases fall further to 39,796 active cases continue to stay below 5 million. Sports news. Third ODI, it was tough for us, says Kushal Perera after rain washes out series finale. Second, Mithali Raj becomes heading runner, scored across formats in women's cricket. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Vandan. So, I think that must be enough for today's morning assembly. So, to wind up our assembly, in the conclusion, I would just like to say that spread awareness as much as possible and always prepare like you never won and perform like you never lost. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.